Welcome to the first video in Harvey Mudd College's Linux tutorial series. This video will introduce you to what Linux is and show you how to log in to a Linux system with SSH. Linux is a part of the Unix family of operating systems. Unix is an operating system that was developed in the 1970s to give users lots of control over their machine. Since that time, Unix has inspired or served as the base for many similar operating systems. For instance, Mac OS is Unix-based. Linux was originally developed as an open-source version of Unix systems, and Linux operating systems now come in many flavors, such as Ubuntu, Gentoo, Red Hat, SUSE, and many others. The CS department servers at Harvey Mudd run Gentoo Linux. To access a Linux machine, you need to use a terminal or terminal emulator. If you are not working on a Unix or Linux-based system, you will need to download a terminal emulator before proceeding. On a Mac OS machine, such as the computers in the Birch, Hot Air, and Rock Labs, you can find the terminal by going to Applications, Utilities, Terminal, and double-clicking Terminal to open. Once you have a terminal open, you can log into a remote Linux machine, such as Knuth or one of the Exceed supercomputers, by using the command SSH. To invoke the command, type SSH followed by your username for the remote machine, the @ symbol, and the domain names or IP address of the remote machine, separated by periods. The domain names for Knuth are knuth.cs.hmc.edu. Then press enter. You will be prompted for your password by the remote machine. It will not appear on the screen as you type it. Press enter after you have finished typing your password. If you typed your password correctly, you are now logged into the remote Linux system. You will likely see a welcome message, as well as some other information, such as the other users that are currently logged in. Underneath that bonus information is the command line, where you type commands and other input into your system. Your terminal is running a program called the shell that interprets what you type into the command line. Congratulations! You now know how to log into a Linux machine remotely using terminal and SSH. And if you are following along on your machine and logging into Knuth, you are also friends with this majestic bear, as per the welcome message.